When despair for the world grows in me, I don't let it make a sound. In fear of what it means when everything comes around, I'm going far where the water's edge will take me to the sound of everything I once heard as a child on the ground. I do not come into peace of things without an easy mind. So I let go of what binds me every single time I come to presence in the still waters where no one's around, just so I can hear the sound of everything that goes round. In this world, I find my peace in the water's edge, so sweet. In this world, I find my peace when I walk with my bare feet. So I love the world that we live in. I tuck it away for all things then I rest again. When despair for the world grows in me, there is never any more sound, for I find